Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, and practice very well on your real account before trying it out on your practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you're seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to go back to the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, and as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading account to a reasonable one. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback which came to an end at this support zone, then it went back up again to break out above this resistance zone, and it is still buying guys. And of course this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will go back into a sell trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. This actually went on downtrend, came to an end at this support zone, went back on buy trend, and of course you can see it at this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, pull back a bit, and it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, then it will buy more. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. It might not be for long, but you should take note of it that it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This had been on downtrend till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below the support zone, so it started a buy trend, and it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity also than a selling opportunity, most especially with the fact that it's just starting from this support zone. Okay, so this is very important. This is crash 500. It was on downtrend before, but came to an end at this support zone, and it started a buy trend, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75, and it's been on downtrend for a very long time. Got to this support zone, tried to pull back, but it was playing around there for a while, and of course got to this support zone again, which was where it got to at the initial stage, but it was unable to go below that, and of course trying to buy at the moment. So this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it is unable to break out above this resistance zone, but once it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. But for now it is still buying, and of course you should take note of that. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then.